Hi, in this video we will discuss one experiment. Which one? To verify the truth table for OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate and NOR gate and NAND gate. Okay, these are the instrument. Okay, we'll discuss procedure is there this one. And next is truth table for OR gate. A is there, B is there. A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output. Okay, in this table first input is 0 and second input is 0 and output is also 0 like this. Okay, now see, this is the procedure. Okay, similarly we have another 3 gates, right? This is the second gate, AND gate is there, and A, B are the inputs, Y is the output. And truth table for NOT gate is there. Similarly, NOT gate having only one input and one output. And similarly, truth table for NOR gate is there. In NOR gate we have two inputs and one output. Okay, related to this. Okay, next last gate is this one. Okay, now for NOR gate and NAND gate, this is the circuit connections, NOR gate verification, and truth table for NAND gate, and this is NAND gate verification, right? Okay, now this is all about procedure. Okay, now we'll do the experiment, right? Okay, now see, this is the study of logic gates table. Here on the table we have OR gate, NOT gate, and this is the AND gate. In OR gate we have two inputs A and B, and one is output Y is there. And similarly we have NAND gate, AND gate, and A is there and B is there. These are the two inputs and one is output. And we have NOT gate here, one output and only one input and one output. Okay, these are the logic 1 and logic 2 are there. We can use these two we can use, and these two we can use zeros, right? Okay, this is switch on, switch off, and output indicator is there at this point. Okay, now see, this is the main. Okay, now I am connecting this to the main switch. Connect this, right? Okay, switching on the mains. Okay, now see, switching on the mains. Okay, now see, here light is glowing, right? Okay, now we'll discuss first table is which one. First table is, okay, we'll discuss which one it is. OR gate we'll discuss first one. Okay, in OR gate we have two inputs. Okay, one is this one A and another input is B, and we have one output. Okay, output is connected to the output indicator. Output is connected to the output indicator, right? Okay, this is the output of the OR gate, and this output is connected to the output indicator, this one. Okay, now see, here we have two wires and one wire is taken according to our truth table, right? Okay, in truth table, okay, first is connect A another. In truth table A is 0 and B is also 0. Okay, now see, A is 0, right? 0 this one. A is 0 and B is also 0. Okay, now see, output is 0. Okay, output is also 0. Yes, there is no glow in output indicator. Output is also 0. And next is A is 0, B is 1. Okay, now I am changing here. A is 0 and B is 1. Okay, I am taking this side. This is 1. Okay, now see, output is glowing here. Output is 1. Output indicator is 1. Okay, now third case is A is 1, A is 1, B is 0. Okay, here also we are getting output, right? Similarly, B is 1.
A is also 1.
A is also 1. Both are 1. 1 means again we have high, means output indicator is glowing. Okay, this is all about OR gate. Okay, similarly we can verify the other gates. Okay, now we'll discuss which one it is. AND gate we'll discuss. In AND gate 0 0 is there, 0 1 is there, 1 1 0 is there, 1 1 is there, and only 1 1 means then only we are getting high. Okay, now I'll discuss. Okay, now I am changing this OR gate to AND gate. Okay, here AND gate is there, this one. Okay, this is 1 A and this is B. Okay, I am removing this one, right? Okay, now output is, this is AND gate. Okay, this is output indicator output indicator is connected to output of the this one, right? Okay, first is what? A is 0, B is 0, then output is also 0, means there is no glow in the indicator, means this is low. Okay, second case is A is 0, A is 0 and B is 1, B is 1. Again there is no glow in the output indicator. Third is A is 1, B is 0. A is 1 and B is 0. Again there is low in the indicator, right? Low. Okay. 0, right? Okay, next last one is both are 1. Okay, A is also 1, A is also 1 and B is also 1 and output is also high. Okay, now see, output is also high. Okay, this is which gate it is? AND gate it is. Okay, this is completed. Now I will discuss which gate? Not gate. Okay, for not gate, okay, switch off this one. Okay, now I am removing this one. Again I am, first is not gate means, okay, this output indicator is connected to the not gate of the output. Not gate output is connected to the output indicator, right? Next, here OR gate is there, OR gate A and OR gate B, and output of the OR gate is connected to the input of the NOT gate. Output of the OR gate is connected to the input of the NOT gate. Now see, this is output of the OR gate to the input of the NOT gate, and NOT gate output is connected to the output indicator. Now see, these are A and B. These are A and B. Okay, now see, first one is what? A is connected to 0, B is connected to 0 and output is 1. Output is 1. Okay, now see, this is glowing. Output is 1. A is also 0, B is also 0 and output is high. Second condition is A is 0, B is 1. Output is 0, low. Okay, output is low, right? And third condition is A is 1, B is 0, right? We can place 0. Again output is 0. And fourth condition is A is 1, B is 1, both are 1 and output is 0. Output is 0. Okay, this completes NOR gate. Okay, we have one more gate, that is NAND gate. Okay, AND gate plus NOT gate gives the NAND gate. Okay, now I am removing this one, right? Okay, now see, AND gate of A, and this is A, and next is AND gate of one more input, this is B. Output of the, okay, this is same. Output of the NOT gate is connected to the output indicator, and this side NAND gate output is connected to the NOT gate input, right? Okay, now see, conditions are, first one, A is 0, B is also 0. A is 0, B is 0. Answer is 1. Means it is glowing here. Output indicator is glowing. Okay, second condition is A is 0, B is 1 and output is 1. Output is 1. Output 1 aita. Okay. Hello problem aita. Okay, this is the problem here. Okay, now see, it is glowing here, right? Okay, next condition is A is 1, B is 0. Okay, B is 0. Again it is glowing, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ problem andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ where this problem, this one
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಐತಲ್ಲ, right? This is the problem, right? Okay, next is A1, A is 1, B is also 1, both are 1, means output is 0. Okay, this is completed all gates now.
No sir, another
One more. Which gate? NOT gate is there. Okay, now I will discuss NOT gate. Okay, last gate is NOR gate is there. In NOR gate we have only one input and one output. Okay, this is the output and this is input. Okay, first is 0 means 1. 0 means high. Okay, now see, this is high. And low means high. This is low means This is high means low, right? Low means high, right? Okay, now see all the gates are completed. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, sir.